Let's understand how MaxelTracker user tracking works. First, visit the user section under the dashboard. Make sure you've added enough users and installed the MaxelTracker app on their computers so you can start tracking those logs. Please note, if you're a super admin, you can't track your own activities and logs because your email is registered with the organization account. But don't you worry, a super admin can see all users' logs, including all roles and departments. When you add users to your MaxelTracker dashboard, their status will appear as inactive or untracked until tracking is enabled. To enable tracking, you just select a user you want to enable the tracking for, click the three dots on the right sidebar, and click on Track. Now, you see the tracking status, it'll just turn active on its own. To turn off that tracking, you just click Untrack, and the system, it'll stop gathering that data right away. Now, if a user's active, but that tracking status still says untracked, it just means they've closed or quit the MaxelTracker application from their computers. Once they reopen that application, tracking starts right back up again, and the status, it changes back to tracked. To see all the details about a Party of Clay user, you can just click on Info, and you can change those user details right there from the Edit section. If you want to completely stop tracking a user completely, you just click Deactivate. To see what each user's been up to, just visit the Logs section from the dropdown. You can even filter those users by roles, department, tracked or untracked status, their shifts, or even by their operating system, making employee management just effortless. And that's how easy it is to manage and monitor user tracking in MaxelTracker. If you got any questions or concerns, just send a simple email to support@maxeltracker.com.